Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2021 Infiniti QX50 Autograph all-wheel drive. The Autograph is the range-topping trim level for the QX50. It's the most opulent, most luxurious version of the QX50. This one is equipped with just about every option that you can get on the 2021 QX50. Autograph, trim level, tow package, all-wheel drive. This thing is beautiful. The Autograph is a unique interior treatment. So you get this really cool pillow quilted interior, and you might be kind of wondering about the colors. So we have like this, light interior color here in the seats. Then you have this blue suede, and then we have this brown, as well as the brown and the blue suede trim on the dashboard, and some wood trim. You might be wondering, oh, and also brown on the Alcantara headliner, which is a synthetic suede cloth. Really nice. So you might be wondering, well, this is kind of an odd color combination for a car. Well, it's actually nautically inspired. If you like boats like me, think of a Chris Craft or a Hinckley yacht. You'll see all these colors on a boat like that. So that's where they came up with this theme. And you know, if you think about it, it really looks cool. I love the colors myself. I think it's a great theme. And you know, I like boats. I like nautical themes. So definitely right down my alley. Maybe it's down yours. So that's what makes it the Autograph package. But on top of that, all the features and technology available on the QX50 aside from the cosmetics, we also have on this QX50 here. So if you look at driver's assistance, we have a lane departure warning and lane departure intervention, so they steer you back in your lane. Then we have steering assist, so that will help you stay centered in your lane while driving on the highway. We have a forward emergency braking and backward emergency braking. We have distance control assist that will encourage the vehicle or slow the vehicle down automatically with quickly approaching traffic ahead of you. We have blind spot warning, blind spot intervention. And we also have traffic sign recognition. We also have this drive mode selector here that will make changes to the steering effort, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, so eco, standard, sport, and personal. You can drill down a little bit deeper here. So you can make changes to the engine and transmission, make changes to the steering effort. This actually has a unique feature that we don't have on Infinitis anymore. It's called direct adaptive steering. I think the system was just too expensive, and unfortunately the bean counters went over in this situation. I think it was just too expensive to implement in the vehicle. That's why they discontinued it, which is too bad because it's a really cool system. And it's not really new technology in 2021. This system has been out for quite a while. We first saw this in 2014 in the Q50, and when the Infiniti QX50 was redesigned for the 2019 model year, they offered it on the QX50 for the first time. So it's drive-by-wire. So under normal driving conditions, there's no mechanical connections to the front wheels. It's all handled by electric motors and computers. Well, why would you want that? It actually can react to steering inputs faster than the mechanical steering rack, and then you can take over a lot of control, kind of like on your PlayStation or Xbox, how you can you know, you're playing Gran Turismo or Forza, you can control the feel of the controller. Well, you can control the feel of this controller using these settings. So you have standard, then you have sport mode, and then you have 3 different settings for the sport mode. You can control the speed of the steering ratio, the weight of it. It's really cool. And it also can filter out unwanted feedback, like if you hit a pothole or rut in the road that would jerk the wheel, that will get filtered out. And the system works great with like the lane departure prevention or the blind spot intervention, where it will steer you back in your lane. It'll use the direct adaptive steering to steer you back in your lane, as well as the lane keep assist. It will use the direct adaptive steering to automatically steer the vehicle in its lane on the highway. So that, combined with the adaptive cruise control, that's what we call level 2 autonomy. So basically you just keep your hand in the wheel and pay attention, but on the highway the vehicle's doing the work for you. You know, you're paying attention, mind you, but the vehicle with the adaptive cruise control is driving with a flow of traffic all the way to a complete stop. And with the steering assist, the vehicle is steering in its lane, and you know, it's for gentle bends on the highway, not for hairpin corners off-road. Great system. We also have a heads-up display, kind of hard to see on camera, but it'll project the speed limit, other information, traffic sign recognition under the windshield, so you don't have to look down off the road and be distracted. We have a power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. We have navigation, 360-degree around view camera. You can also change views, great for low speed maneuvering. We have heated and air-conditioned front seats when it's hot and muggy out. These air-conditioned seats are fantastic. Will blow air-conditioned air through the perforated holes in the seats. You can probably hear that fan going on right now. It's blowing cool air through the perforated holes, and it feels wonderful, especially when it's hot and muggy out. Big panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. It opens, and we also have a power sunshade as well to dim things down if it gets too bright out. The steering wheel is heated. It's power tilt and telescoping. We also have a premium Bose sound system. Memory seats. This QX50 has pretty low miles, only 7,086 miles. It's a one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. Also with the autograph package, you have an upgraded wheel and tire package. It's a larger diameter wheel and tire package, giving it a little bit more of a sportier, aggressive look. Even though the QX50 is a compact, you have a decent amount of space in the back. The rear seats, they slide back and forth, they recline. I'm 6'2", I have a ton of space back here. We have rear climate control. We also have integrated sunshades. We have a power rear liftgate. It's also motion activated. If you make a kicking motion underneath the center of the rear bumper, it will go up and down. We also have a tow package. There is a receiver hitch right there, never used. A little bit of extra storage under there. The QX50 has beautiful lines, absolutely gorgeous vehicle. Infiniti did an amazing job designing the QX50, especially the front end styling, kind of reminiscent of our very sporty Q50 and Q60 coupe and sedan. Also the autograph, you get these unique cube design LED headlights for outstanding nighttime visibility. The QX50's only engine is this amazing VC turbo engine, variable compression, so it can change the compression ratio on the fly, depending on whether you're driving on the highway. It'll give you a 14:1 compression ratio for maximum fuel efficiency, but if you get aggressive on the throttle, it can quickly change that compression ratio to an 8:1 compression ratio to maximize horsepower. Maximum horsepower is 268 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. Well, there you have it, one beautiful example of a 21 QX50 autograph. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.